Welcome. In this short C# lesson, we build a tiny utility that checks whether the first elements of the two arrays match, or the last elements match. This is a small but common check, useful when validating data streams, checking message frames, headers or footers, or quickly comparing array boundaries. We keep the implementation safe and simple, where the arrays are length 1 or more. Explain each line, and run a couple of examples. Ready? Let's go. Here's a problem in plain English. Given two arrays, both are at least 1. We then check if either the first elements are the same or the last elements are the same. Because the arrays are guaranteed non-empty, we can safely index them. This check returns a boolean and runs in constant time, big O 1. It is a great first exercise for learning safe indexing and compact conditional logic in C#. Here's the complete example. We declare two integer arrays and then print the result of a single boolean expression. The expression checks the first elements and the last elements and equals. The OR operator returns true if either comparison is true. You can swap equals for double equals as both work for ints, but equals reads nicely and is consistent with object comparisons. This code is consistent and safe, where no extra loops or allocations. Let's break it down. Step 1 is array detection. Step 2 and 3 are direct indexing, first and last. Step 4 uses logical OR. If either comparison holds, we return true. Because we only do constant time operations, this is extremely cheap and ideal for quick sanity checks. If your program may receive empty arrays in other contexts, add a guard, but our exercise guarantees length 1 or more. Here are a few test cases. In the first elements match, so the result is true even though the last elements differ. In the second, neither first nor last match, so we get a false. The third shows a single element edge case. Both arrays have only one element, which is both first and last, so equality returns true. These examples help validate the logic before integrating the check into larger code. This check is practical in networking. You often verify headers or footers. In ETL pipelines, you run quick validations before heavy transforms. And in low-level buffer code, you frequently need to confirm boundaries are correct after operations. Small predicates like this are great building blocks for larger validation logic and also make excellent unit test assertions. Wrapping up, the solution is clear, compact, and efficient. We learned how to compare first and last elements of two arrays in C#, and why the check is safe with the given array length guarantee. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.